Hey, what's up, you guys? Tyler here, coming at you with a new series I'm calling Weekend Update. Now, what Weekend Update is going to be taking clips and entertaining events throughout the weekend, and I'm going to mash them together into one vlog that comes out every Monday. So, this is episode 1 of Weekend Update. It is June 26th, 2017, Monday, and let's get right into it, shall we? If you guys ever need a drink or a glass of beer, let me know, because we got you covered here. Look at this. We have a collection of pint glasses and beer glasses of any kind you want, all shapes and sizes. Got one for my recent alma mater, Northwood University. And then we got weird beer glasses down here. Sneak peek, I'm going to be posting a beer review on Friday. We got some IPA glasses and some different, bunch of weird ones I picked up during travels and stuff. And we even have a flight here where you can write on the little chalkboard, write what beer we're tasting. And if you guys ever need a drink, let me know, I got you covered. This past weekend, it basically rained all weekend. There was flooding in my city. In the city to the west of us, they had even more flooding. I heard someone had 7 feet in their basement. And then even more to the west of that, here in Michigan, there was a city that had a road completely flooded out and it collapsed. So it just rained all weekend. And it's supposed to keep raining actually until Wednesday. We have a flood warning till Wednesday. So that basically took up most of this weekend. And I did go out on the road and take some video of the crazy flooding that happened in the road closing. So I'm gonna play that for you guys right now. That's what took up this weekend. But last weekend, me and my dad went to Michigan International Speedway for the Xfinity Nascar race. And let me tell you, normally I wouldn't go to a NASCAR event. I never thought they were that interesting. But after going to that event on Saturday, I have a new appreciation for NASCAR. If there's a NASCAR event near you, I definitely think you should spend the money and go to it. You get a new appreciation for it. The cars are so obnoxiously fast and obnoxiously loud that it blows your mind. And so that video compilation is going to be played right now. Dale, can I get your autograph? Can I get your autograph? You can't hear me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also commenting lets me know that you like it. I'm going to be putting these videos out every Monday, and this is the first one. So make sure to subscribe if you liked it to catch up every Monday. A little sneak peek for you guys. Wednesday I'm going to be posting a golf update video, updating you guys on my swing, scores, how I've been playing, stuff like that. And then Friday is going to be a little relaxed craft beer review that I'll be posting. So if you like that, make sure again to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks again guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Later.